Well, I don't know what happened. I shut the camera off somehow. Not near the Eagle. So it's June 7th. Fort Worden walk. Part, I don't know what. You just have to figure it out. If you don't know what you've already watched and what you haven't, I can't help you. Anyway, this is part something or other. I'm walking on the beach. I just finished a 24-hour dry fast. I had food and all my stuff for about an hour and a half, and now I'm back on my dry fast and I'm beach walking. We just saw a big, wonderful eagle over there. And well, now you're caught up, so let's go. Somehow when I turn the camera around, it'll be like, and I go, and I do all this mysterious stuff, then I shut the camera off. I could make a fort in there. I love it up there. We'll go up there soon. Right now I'm really into my dry fasting routine, and resting and meditating and prayer, and I have waves of emotions and thoughts that carry me away, and then I'm like, okay, wait a minute, is it happening now? What's the truth? How do you really feel? What's your highest and best interest? And you know, bring it back to calm, to center. That awesome view. I like looking through trees. I like getting shots through the trees. I walk with the goddess. The goddess, she walks with me. I walk with the goddess. The goddess, she walks with me. It's so weird, I just felt a presence on my neck. And granted, there was a bug that was coming at me, but I just felt a huge energetic presence behind me. I could have swore there was a human. But ain't nobody here. You never know. People just walk out of portals on the beach like, oh, you weren't there. Oh, now you're there. Dude. It happens. So as I was saying, like that is what I was saying. I don't even look at my hair. What is that? Well, it's either a feather or a fungus, or it's a tree getting ready to fall, or it's something, I don't know. Oh, right, that's what I did. I pushed the center last time when I stopped it, like I was taking a picture or something. Maybe. I've been in them there mountains. I've been in that there, Ronnie. I mean, I can't understand you, Crystal. Don't care. Been there, don't care, don't care. Long hair, don't care. This one woman that talked about Leo rising, I watched a few years back. It was funny. Part of her intro was long hair, don't care. I don't know why, but Okay. I found something very, very magical at this spot years ago that is an absolute treasure to me forever. What is it? I can't tell you here. Excuse me. What? Jeez, nosy Rosie. I be loving me some summertime, 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 summertime. I wonder. I walk the wonder wall and I wonder if I'll stall. I walk the wonder wall and I feel small. I walk the wonder wall, afraid I'm gonna fall. I make a wish and there it is. All something like that. I walk the wonder wall, I create on the wonder wall. I write my wishes and dreams on the wonder wall like it's a magic lantern. You write what you want on the wonder wall. And the truth, not the truth. There's no truth in life. What you want just goes. This there appears right out of a portal like a stranger on a beach with a big old round bag, and you wonder what's in it. I did wonder what's in it. It was a round bag, and it made me curiosity. He did. Maybe it was symbols. Hey trees, I love you. It could have been a cylinder. It could have been a chair. I know it wasn't green eggs and ham. I know that. Okay. Spirit says to turn around and go back. I just want to peek around this corner, and then I will. Why is Spirit talking to me like that? It's a secret. Hello. Oh my. If you were here, we would go swimming. Who are you talking to? Who's ever listening to this? If you were here, we'd go swimming. Probably not right here, but I swim over by the docks. It's a little more placid. It's got a sandy bottom. Well, Spirit, I hear you, but I'm going to go a little bit further. So just maintain. Oh, I walk the wonder wall. I'm not afraid I'll fall. I don't give a fuck what you think about it at all. I walk the wonder wall. I walk with the motherfucking goddess, and the goddess walks with me. Gosh. Why did you say that? Look, it's none of your business. Why does this keep coming untied? Because you're not tying it correctly. Alright. It's the jiggle of my wiggle unties my sickle. It's funny. That's so funny. Oh yes, you wanted to see me cough. North Beach is down there. That is a loud. Oh no, I guess that's the loud. Can you see that plane up there? The biplanes love the biplane float planes. You see a lot of them. Oh, I absolutely delight at that view. I never get sick of it. my gosh. I love the clouds. Wisping, wisping, wisping. All right. Knock on wood, but I haven't seen chemtrails in a while. New Earth looks good on me, doesn't it? This is my hairdo. Should I climb up there?
Oh no, I dare you. I double dare you.
Yeah, no. Yeah, that's a really pretty beach. Can you see it? I don't even know. It looks in the camera that it's a little bit bright or dark or something. That's my favorite rock, Seknet. Call it for goddess Seknet, because I came down here one day talking to the goddess and I found something near that rock that was a sign from that goddess. It's pretty incredible. I'm gonna go say hi to my bestie at that rock. I got a lot of besties, so just calm it. Okay, just calm it. Don't get jealous. Okay. Huh. In Montana we call those Indian paintbrush, but that's more like an orange. Am I breaking up? Can you hear me? Are you such a dork? Bought and paid for. That made no sense. Don't care. See? You bring your beach gear down. Like, I'm gonna bring my beach blanket and my towel and my backpack and my book and all my stuff. And I'm gonna park it right in here for the day. What day? Don't know. Don't know. Good thing about dry fasting is that I won't have to, bring any snacks or water. I won't be swimming that particular day.
This dry fasting is called dry. It's dry. Dry fasting is like, no water.
Do you wonder if I'm squatting now? I am. I'm not going to the bathroom. I'm just sitting here. What do they call it? Sitting on your haunches?
I'm up on my high horse. I'm looking down on all you motherfuckers. Hey, I'm looking down on you.
Kind of a weird conundrum when you're out by yourself like this and then you put this on YouTube and then millions of people have access to it. All right, where do you want to put the blanket? I put one there, I put one there, one there. I would totally sleep down here. The tent, make sure you know where the watermark is, right? The water hits the bank and then your tent floats out and then you're gone to Africa. Oh, that was entertaining, Crystal. Got any more good ones? I know. All right. I'm gonna say hi to my rock friend. Then I'll turn back. Hey, you see me? Hey, hi. Hi, bestie. Oh, that rock. She's not even saying anything. Can you believe it? I'll bet that she's gonna try to ignore me. Hey, what is this? It's beach glass. It's so funny, you got the infamous beach glass, North Beach, right? But it's illegal to pick stuff up off the beach. Well, in the state park it is. So, you know, I didn't pick that up. It was too broken anyway. I just, you know, catch and release rocks on the beach because the state thinks they own everything. And then they tax you and then they make up money and it's just weird. What are you doing? I'm tying my shirt. Do you mind? You do know people are listening to you and assessing your sanity.
Well, then let me give them something to look at.
Can you hear this? Let me turn it up for you. This is me fixing my bob again. Okay, who are you flipping off? The people that you said were coming to get me, because I'm crazy. Well, I didn't mean it. Well, then don't say it, fuckhead. You shouldn't talk to me like that. You do realize you're on the beach alone having a conversation by yourself? Nobody. Hey girl, what's up?
You come here often?
We have each other. Give you so much. No, that wasn't from the tree. Or the rock, I mean. I know you're not a tree rock. You're a tree rock. You maybe used to be a tree. But what? It was a carrot. It was a carrot, so you know. This is kind of funny because it's spooky because you don't know if you're going to get got. The water comes up and around. It stops. And then over here it comes up and around. It stops. And then you go, don't ever get caught like that. You're like, gotta get me. Me and my yub bug. Ow. Look at the hard-headed. Today I zoomed in on the sun with my 67 zoom and it didn't exist. It's just white. Like almost you could just go all the way. It's not there. It's got like 4 or 5 points of red but see? Sun's not there. See? Told you. Okay, well I gotta go. I'll be yubbing you later. See, and it's a geological spot too. Okay. See, when it's low water, obviously, you can walk all the way around it. Okay. I love you. Bye-bye. This is me loving you. Bye-bye. Okay, one last look this direction. We'll go further that direction another day. And no, I never look up the tides when I go walking. Because I don't give a fuck. What's the worst that can happen? I have to climb the cliffs? So what? I can do that. So I have to swim? Oh, I'm so scared. I'll swim. Who cares? Now, if I was a cave or something, like that cave in that show Lock and Key, I wouldn't want to be stuck in there if I died. But, you know. All right. Enough with the psychobabble. Let's just walk. I said no one ever. Okay. Oh, you double dare me? What? Shut up. Who'd you just flip off? Hand me your beeswax. It was you, dumbhead. Do not talk. Fine. Well, my sweatshirt does not want to stay tied. I tie it and then it's like, I put some jiggle in my wiggle and I walk with a diddle, and then it lets go, see? Sassafras. Don't you just love the different geology layers? I got a jiggle in my wiggle and I'm walking while I'm talking. And that's all I got, but if you want some more of the poem, email me.
I'll ignore you, but you can drive.
You know you're a dork. Born and bred. I hear another vehicle. Okay, so we have the sailing of the sunset. Yes. Okay, so it's a plane that I hear. They call me Special Investigator Madge. That's Madge. She chain smokes and she talks like this. Someone's coming now. I gotta stop acting like this, but I can't. Better. The white coats. We don't want the white coats. Are you bored yet? You do know you could shut the camera off, right? Okay, well, that fucking scared the shit out of me. Did you guys see it? See, like, remember I showed you the whole fucking way, right? And then all of a sudden a bicycle comes, like that I never saw coming the whole way, and just flew out of nowhere. Like, fucking nowhere, right? We were just down there. Nothing. Like, how would a bike have to be going that fast to get there and right next to me that fast? Did I just switch realities? But anyway, I had no fucking idea what it was, so I screamed. Yes, I stopped to justify my scream. At least it wasn't a blood-curdling scream like I've done in the past, but... Hello. I wasn't quite prepared for that bicycle. Did you hear me scream? Because I took a video and everything way down. I could see all the way down, everything way down, and I'm walking all of a sudden, and so I screamed. It just came out of nowhere like it came out of a portal or something.
Yeah.
I thought I'd been had.
Yeah.
It was. Have a good day. Yeah. She said she's glad I didn't get hit. I thought that was a guy. I think she... Anyway. I'm not going to comment on that. I thought she heard me scream. I mean, seriously. Both of those guys, the one with the round pack and this bicycle guy, I swear to fuck they come out of a portal. Because, yeah, those bicycles go pretty fast. But if no one heard me scream but you, then, you know, the bicyclist didn't even hear me scream. Anyway, the point is that when I looked down, I must not have seen him, or it was a portal. I mean, I have that happen so often down here that, which would be, you know, if there was a whole bunch of corners and stuff, it would be like, okay, well, maybe they were sitting down or they were doing something else. But then, when you go down a beach that far as I did over there, and see nothing, I mean, maybe when I play my video back, he was already there, but how weird was that, right? Yeah, I'm going with my portal theory. Well, I don't think I was going to get hit. Well, I guess I could have got hit. I mean, there was inches between us and the beach. Oh my God, you're going to drama queen about it all night. I am, because I am really intrigued by this portal theory. And I do startle easily, but I guess I was thinking it was something in the water, like something coming out of the water, like some sort of a monster. What do you think the monster was going to do to you? Naughty, naughty things, no doubt. Are you glad you turned around and went the other way? I am. And not because of the bicyclists. It's other secret reasons. If you want to know, you have to email me. Thimbleberry. Gorgeous. think. Therefore, I am. I just don't know who's watching these, so I'm not going to blather everything that's on my mind. I mean, spiritually, you know, but... anyway, you can read between the lines. If you know me, you probably know what the fuck I'm talking about. Okay, so... it's always good to have a good scream. About a year and a half ago, I was startled, and I got by someone very friendly, very non-threatening, very, why the fuck, I have no idea. Right, it's post-traumatic stress from childhood or whatever, but I had a blood-curdling scream let out like I've never even imagined could come out of me, and I fucking felt so good. Like this one, I mean, I heard the noise. It was pretty intense, like a noise that was unnatural to what I'd already been hearing, you know, with the swishing and whatever. And then, but even when I turned, if I'd have still kept hearing the noise, I'd have been, oh, okay. But the bike, all right, well, I'm just saying, hey, you didn't tell me it was high water. You didn't ask. Hey, look at that, bicycle tracks. It exists. That'd be funny if it didn't exist. Be like, nope, I didn't even see a bike. Of course, that gal didn't say she didn't see a bike. She said, okay. Oh, whoa, hurry. Oofta. You know you could have went up there. You know you could have shut it up. Co-pilot from hell. That's that inner voice sometimes. I have to give it a 1-2. 1-2, kaboo. It's so funny. You go through, like, you have to get through there before the water goes a certain way. So I scooted through there. And then you get all excited because you're like, oh my gosh, the excitement of getting caught. You know? Oh my gosh. But then knowing that even if you get caught, you're going to be fine. You're just going to be wet. Your shoes wet. Maybe your socks wet. You get the point. Let's see if there's any more portals opening up down here. Shit, man. Seaweed is slippery, motherfucker. Okay. Whew. I like my new routine. It's a matter of, you know, letting yourself just be. It's hard to just let yourself just be and be content and, you know, not getting addicted to feeding off of someone else or someone else needing your constant attention or, Did you want to have a seat? Oh, hi. Sexy mofo. What's up? Yeah, I think that's blurry. But I can't tell because I don't have my glasses on. So if that's all blurry, just know that's an eagle in there. And he loves me so much. He's giving me a little cute cuddly look. Oh, hi. Just kidding. No portals open. Hey, hi. Hey, Man, it's just a handsome fella. How do you know it's not a girl? Shut up. I thought you were gonna sit down. I was. Till you disrespected me. She's a psycho. She's a psycho. Well, what is it, like 21 days since I left my church? And I mean my final day. I had moved out pretty much a week before, just waiting on deliveries and still had the computer there. And getting into a different routine, and I will be reading and writing and meditating and blah blah blah. But with the dry fasting, I do a lot of meditation, a lot of inner travel, astral travel, out of body. I'm working on conscious, lucid dreaming, astral travel, and being the magician and calling to me what I want, not chasing it, not neurotic, not begging for it, not like even wishing or wanting something to the point of stressing myself out. I call it to me, and I wait, and I trust the timing. Voila. I'm doing pretty good. It's only been about 10 years now. 7. Great. Yeah. All right, well, let us say goodbye to the beach and head into the campground. Bye-bye, mountains. Bye-bye, beach. Bye-bye, portals. Bye-bye. I love you. Okay. Yep, this is me being me. I am a lovable dork. I've spent time in nature my whole life alone. Me and nature, we got a thing. You know what I mean? Don't have my motorcycle down at Lake Koocanusa, but I was going to say I have my pants on. Well, that's lovely, Crystal, because there's 20 people around. Well, you know what I mean. I got my legs. Alright, the campground. This is a cool path, eh? Yes, I'm Canadian-y. Hello. It's very excited already.
The beach is out there.
And I'm in the way. Have fun. Cutie pie.
Come on.
Enjoy. That was a sweet dog. How dare they try to convince me the dog was excited about the beach. He was excited about me. I know you love looking at the campers. I've seen so many over the years, so many awesome campers. You like that Jeep? Hello. Best spot in the house, huh?
Huh?
Best spot in the house, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. People make fires and sit around them, and that's the deal. And then most of them leave after a couple days. Huge, elaborate setup, and then they're gone. I sit up there sometimes and write in that neat little spot. Ooh, is that Alaska? I can't see it. Could be Old Oregon. Yep, Old Oregon. You guys got it all figured out.
Huh?
Y'all made yourself at home.
Figured out, yes.
All right.
We're a little slow, but we get it.
It's beautiful spot. Y'all looks great.
It's really nice. This is such a beautiful place.
Enjoy. Those are the people I gave directions to earlier. These gals up here is kind of cool. Last I knew, they pulled up. Sometimes moms do that, like a couple moms or 2 or 3 moms bring their tents and all their kids. It's so sweet. Now this goes up top, and I always say we're going to walk up there. It goes up top, and there's hundreds of acres of trails. Alright, well, bye, because I'm gonna, yeah,